Want to protect your home and family with the latest safety tech? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors on Amazon, perfect for early alerts, peace of mind, and smarter home safety. From real-time app notifications to easy installation and reliable detection, these devices help keep danger at bay before it's too late. Stick around to see which ones are worth investing in. And make sure to subscribe so you stay informed with the best in home safety and smart tech. At number 1 we have Oluncle Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Our carbon monoxide detector with its 2-in-1 functionality, this device not only detects carbon monoxide but also serves as a smoke detector, offering comprehensive protection against both fire and carbon monoxide hazards. High reliability. High sensitive CO sensor, MCU processing adopted. The carbon monoxide detectors, equipped with dual high stability sensors, these detectors offer enhanced sensitivity and accuracy, ensuring prompt detection of any potential threats. The LCD screen provides clear and easy to read information, allowing for quick and convenient monitoring of carbon monoxide levels. Smoke and carbon monoxide detector, with battery. The carbon monoxide detectors are designed to provide reliable and accurate detection of carbon monoxide, suitable for various places. Loud alarm signal exceeding 85 decibels in alarm mode. At number 2 we have NICGOL smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. The upgraded 4-in-1 natural gas leak detector and carbon monoxide detector is equipped with natural gas, carbon monoxide, temperature, and humidity detectors, powerful functionality, dual sensors, a dual alarm system, and quick response to protect your family and personal safety in all directions. Carbon monoxide detectors plug-in design, suitable for AC 110 volts 220 volts. Static power consumption less than or equal to 2 watts, more energy saving. The electronic sensor has a long life, is more environmentally friendly and durable, and does not require continuous replacement. RV carbon monoxide and propane detectors equipped with an LCD color screen, the values are displayed clearly. It can detect carbon monoxide gas, 0 to 2000 ppm, and natural gas, 0 to 10% low. Small in size, does not take up space, and is suitable for home, hotel, RV, and cruise ship. At number 3 we have First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. First Alert's precision detection advanced sensing technology meets new industry standards to reduce cooking nuisance alarms while delivering early warning during a fire emergency. Voice and location alerts clearly announce the type of danger and the specific room involved to help you react quickly and escape safely. Early warning interconnect ensures that when one compatible alarm sounds, all connected alarms alert together across the home. Battery backup provides continuous protection during power outages and unexpected power failures. This device offers reliable 2-in-1 protection by detecting both smoke and carbon monoxide in one unit. Designed to improve overall home safety with faster, smarter, and more accurate alerts. Ideal for bedrooms, hallways, and shared living spaces for complete coverage. At number 4 we have Soewolit 3-pack Smart Smoke Detector. Smart Smoke Detector. The Smart Smoke Detector links to your mobile app via Wi-Fi. Smoke Detector 2.4 GHz technology. Receive instant alerts when smoke is detected, ensuring you're always informed, even when you're not at home. Alarm loudness. With a loud 85 decibels fire alarm, you'll never miss a warning. This smoke alarm includes a low battery warning. It is loud enough to remind you of replacing battery promptly. Replaceable 10-year battery. Smoke detector battery-powered model uses replaceable battery and is equipped with a photoelectric sensor, providing detection for up to 10 years. Easy installation. This smoke detector battery-powered model is easy to install on walls or ceilings. The smoke detector 10-year battery provides peace of mind for a decade. The smoke alarm has a standby mode. LED light flashes every 60s. At number 5 we have Oluncle 6-pack Smoke Detector. This smoke and carbon monoxide alarm combines 2 essential safety protections in one reliable device to safeguard your family from both smoke and carbon monoxide threats. Advanced photoelectric and electrochemical sensor technology ensures fast, accurate, and dependable detection of smoke and CO for early warning. The 3-color LED indicator system and powerful 85 decibels alarm provide clear visual and audible alerts during emergencies. Instantly notifies you of danger so you can respond quickly and protect your loved ones. Designed for easy installation with a simple, user-friendly setup process. Low maintenance design ensures continuous protection without complicated upkeep. Ideal for use in homes, apartments, offices, and shared living spaces. Delivers consistent performance and dependable safety in any environment. At number 6 we have Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Experience the next level of fire safety with the Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector, 10-year battery-powered, LED warning light indicators, 4-pack, Model 30 Kltsen. The smoke and CO detector has enhanced sensing technology that reduces false alarms often caused by cooking and sends fast alerts that help give your family more time to get out safely. To detect carbon monoxide, an electrochemical sensor is used. This alarm offers a modern 5-inch design ideal for all living spaces such as living rooms, hallways, kitchens, and bedrooms. Comprehensively tested and designed to the latest UL standard for safety and reliability, the 5-inch combination smoke and CO alarm is powered by a 10-year built-in lithium battery, so you never have to change a battery for the life of the detector. At number 7 we have Yfwsrecine 6-pack smoke detector. Compared with most carbon monoxide smoke detectors on the market, our detector sensors have a lifespan of up to 10 years, while other detectors on the market only use 3 years life sensors, so our products have a longer service life. The informative LCD will show you the battery level and real-time CO levels in parts per million. If there is fire and carbon monoxide with a concentration over 0.1% dB/m, the blue light flashes rapidly. If CO is detected, the red light will flash. Dense gas sensing holes can prevent alarms from causing false alarms and reduce your worries. This CO alarm is powered by large capacity 3x1. 5 volts AA batteries, and this combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector can be easily installed using the included mounting bracket, screws, and anchors. The detector's battery life is up to 5 years, and we also provide a lifetime free battery replacement service to save you money. At number 8 we have First Alert SMCO100 Smoke Alarm. This First Alert alarm features precision detection advanced sensing technology that meets new industry standards to reduce nuisance cooking alarms while delivering early warnings during home fire emergencies. The reliable 2-in-1 design provides trusted protection against both smoke and carbon monoxide in a single unit. Battery-operated operation allows for quick installation without hard wiring and ensures flexible placement throughout your home. A convenient test and silence button makes routine testing simple and efficient to confirm the alarm is working properly. End-of-life warning alerts you when it's time to replace the alarm for continued safety. Designed to enhance everyday home protection with dependable performance. Helps keep your family informed and prepared during emergencies. Ideal for bedrooms, hallways, kitchens, and living areas. At number 9 we have Kidde Hardwired Smoke Detector. Protect your family with the Kidde Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector for home, interconnectable, AA battery backup, 3-pack, Model 30 Quar. This modern smoke and carbon monoxide detector alarm features advanced sensing technology to reduce false alarms caused by cooking. Today's fires burn faster and hotter than ever before, so you need reliable fire safety protection. Fast alarm sound alerts help your loved ones get to safety quicker, giving you peace of mind. This detector connects to other Kidde alarms, so when one sounds, they all do. With up to 3x more precise smoke detection, you can depend on Kidde. This self-testing smoke and CO alarm is easy to install and ideal for living rooms, hallways, kitchens, and bedrooms, because smoke and carbon monoxide detectors should be on every level of your home. Tested to meet the latest UL standards to safeguard your home from smoke hazards. At number 10 we have Kltsenaife Smoke Detector. Equipped with advanced photoelectric smoke and electrochemical CO sensors, this 2-in-1 detector provides faster and more accurate alerts against smoke and carbon monoxide. Unlike ordinary alarms with only 3-year sensors, ours last up to 10 years, giving your home longer-lasting protection from 2 deadly threats. All alarms can wirelessly interconnect, forming a reliable mesh network with a coverage of up to 820 feet, 250 meters. When one alarm detects danger, all units sound simultaneously, ensuring every corner of your home is protected and everyone is alerted instantly. Pre-configured and easy to set up, no complicated pairing required. Equipped with a powerful built-in 10-year lithium battery, this alarm requires no wiring or frequent battery changes. Simply mount it with the included bracket, screws, and anchors in minutes. Enjoy reliable, maintenance-free protection with lifetime free replacement support from Kltsenaife.